So I went and got pipes that I thought were for 650. Dude thought they were for a 900. I looked at pictures of the ones for the 900, and it looked like it was the same diameter the whole way up to the manifold on this pipe. And the 650 got skinny up to the manifold, like these. Well, so I went and got them. Dude only wanted 20 bucks for them. It was fucking awesome. I was like, this is a steal, no matter what. Now, they don't fit. I think they're for the 900. I think he was right. So, I said, fuck it, I'm pulling the muffler off. So here's what it sounds with just one muffler. Not bad. A little bit louder until you crank the throttle a bit.